Okay, 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2.
Let's go! Discover the young guns of the Kiwi music scene. Catch them here before they become famous.
Welcome to the gun show. That's how it's done.
Welcome to the Gun Show! This is where New Zealand music starts. If you don't know what that means, what we like to do is go out, film up-and-coming bands, make them some music videos, interview them, and stick them on TV, all for your viewing pleasure.
That's right. Oh, hi! We're Sylvester the Farawini, and welcome to the Gun Show. Drop some coffee.
Welcome to the gun show, baby.
Yeah!
So you guys are all still in school, right? So have you had any trouble getting into the pubs that you're playing at?
No.
Nice. Alright, I'm here with Callum from the Pawn Shop Boys, and
We've got a bit of a problem here. I point at my guitar and he's like, "Is that ID?" I'm like, "Yeah, it's ID enough, man. I'm in the band." And he's like, "Nah, bro. Oh, apparently I'm allowed in when my dad's here, but that won't be till 9 and I kind of need to sit up. We're playing on the street."
hell yes, there you have it. We're going to see the Pawn Shop Boys playing on the street on K Road on a Tuesday night, and it's going to be rocking.
Yeah.
Welcome back. That was Sherpa, and what you might have been led to believe by their music and their visuals, they don't actually climb mountains, Dane.
Wow. So, if you're a band and you want to be on the show, what can I say? Go to our website, which is www.welcometothegunshow.co.nz. You basically need two things: talent and the ability to go to the website.
Give me the camera. Let go of the camera.
No! You're going to film it yourself.
Yes, I'm going to film it myself. Right here is where New Zealand music starts.
I know. I've seen that on TV.
I'm trying to do something.